Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you on how to use Microsoft OneDrive in 2025. So this is very perfect for the beginners. So by the end of this video, I will show you how to store files, sync across devices, share documents, and collaborate in real time using this website, the OneDrive. And if you are new to cloud storage or want to learn OneDrive's latest features, then stick around. So let's get started, guys. First is let's know what is this OneDrive. So here you can cloud storage Surface by Microsoft. You can also sync across multiple devices, your PC, Mac, iPhone, and even your Android. And here, guys, you can integrate with Microsoft 365 apps, for example, the Word, the Excel, and then the PowerPoint. And then here on how to set up OneDrive, guys. In setting up OneDrive, guys, of course, first thing you need to do here is to open this one on your browser. Just type onedrive.live.com, and there you can click sign in, or you can also create a Microsoft account if you don't have one. And then once log in, you'll see your OneDrive dashboard there. So here you can see your files, recent uploads, and storage usage. So right here, guys, you will be able to see here this one. And here, let's try to check what is this OneDrive. So you can also install these, guys, on your Windows. So you just need to click Start menu and type OneDrive. And if not installed, you can download it from Microsoft website and then sign in with your Microsoft account. And then choose folders to sync with the cloud. And there you can click Next, and the OneDrive is now ready to use. So there, guys, the OneDrive create a special folder on your PC where files will sync. And then pro tip here, guys, is right click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar and then proceed to clicking the settings, and then enables files on demand for better store management. So while on the Mac, guys, you can open the Mac App Store and search for Microsoft OneDrive, and then click install and then open the app. You can now sign in with your Microsoft account and choose files to sync with your Mac. And the OneDrive will now appear in your Finder, just like a normal folder. In setting up OneDrive on mobile, guys, or your iPhone and Android, you can go to the App Store or your Google Play Store if you're Android and search OneDrive and download it. And there you can open the app and sign in and enable camera upload to automatically back up your photos and videos. Bonus tip here, guys. Enable offline mode to access files without an internet connection. So right now, guys, let's try to create and log in your account here. So this tutorial, I am going to try this one. So here, guys, you'll be able to see here, welcome to your OneDrive account. When you put your files and photos in OneDrive, they are always at your fingertips and no matter where you are or which device you're looking at. So here, relive your best moments. Here, you just need to tap on that one, and here, you can avail their plan here depending on you guys. And let's go here and uploading and managing the files. So here, guys, on web, you can click upload and select files or folders. And when it comes to the Windows, you can drag files into the OneDrive. And then on the mobile, you just need to tap the plus icon and then select upload. So in organizing the files with the folders, guys, you just need to click new folders to create categories like work, personal, or even the photos. So drag files into folders for better organization. So you can also use the search bar to find files instantly. So here, enable the file version history, guys. So what you need to do there is right click and then tap on the version history to recover old versions of a document. And here, you just need to explore all of the features on this website, guys. And when it comes to sharing and collaborating in OneDrive, you can go to right click and then right click a file and then go to click share and then choose who can access it. You can access it anyone with a link which is public, and when it's private, choose specific people and view only and edit access. Here, you can click copy link and share via email or messaging apps. And of course guys, pro tip, use password protected links for extra security. And in syncing and backing up files, open OneDrive settings and click sync and backup. There, you can choose folders to automatically sync between the devices. And in setting up automatic PC backup, open OneDrive, click settings, under backup, enable desktop documents and the pictures, and now all important files are automatically stored in the cloud. So the pro tip here guys is you need to enable the ransomware protection for extra security. So here you can also see here your managed storage, your plans and upgrade. You can also go there to office file formats, your personal votes, and then the photos there. So one thing I like on this website guys is their advanced features, which is files on demand, wherein you can access all files without downloading them. They also have their personal vote, which is you can store sensitive documents with extra security, for example, the fingerprint or the Face ID. You can also scan documents for the mobile app, and offline mode, you can work on files without an internet connection, so you just need to use the mobile app to scan a document and save it in a OneDrive. And then the pro tip here guys is use AI powered search to find files instantly. So here you'll be able to see this one guys. That's it. So why this one guys? So this is a step-by-step guide for beginners wherein it covers all features basic to advanced, and this is very engaging visuals and animations. So here you can see here guys, they'll also have their options for this one. And here you can also add a profile here guys. You can edit your name, and you can also go to your My Profile, and you can also sign in with a different account guys. And that's it guys. Now you know how to set up, sync, share, and back up your files using Microsoft OneDrive in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.